Hi, I am Munip, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon, and today I am going to tell you exactly what I will do if I had to start an e-commerce business from scratch in 2025. First, I wouldn't waste time chasing trends or guessing which products will sell. I would start by selecting a high demand, low competition niche, something data driven with proven sales potential on Amazon, Shopify, and other marketplaces. Next, I did focus on building a strong foundation, professional product listings, high quality visuals, optimized copy, and a user friendly store layout. Then I did implement three core systems that are essential for any profitable brand: traffic, conversion, and retention. Traffic comes from paid ads and content marketing that actually converts, not just vanity clicks. Conversion means the store and listings are designed to turn visitors into buyers effortlessly. Retention ensures repeat sales with email flows, social engagement, and loyalty strategies. I did also leverage automation and analytics to track performance, identify bottlenecks, and scale without guesswork. Most beginner stores fail because they ignore data, overcomplicate processes, or spread resources too thin. By focusing on a niche, building proper systems, and scaling with data backed decisions, you can grow a profitable, sustainable brand quickly. At Growth Beyond Horizon, this is exactly how we help our clients consistently scale their Amazon and Shopify stores month after month. So, if you are serious about building a business that lasts and grows, follow a system that works. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification so you never miss actionable strategies for growing your e commerce brand.